Welcome back to Moneyverse everyone. You're watching the stocks on news today and also the post-market analysis. NMDC, Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra Resorts. These are the four stocks that are in news today. Let's go to the Money Control's website and also let's go to the news reports and charts and see what has been the developments of these stocks. Yes, let's go to the charts. The shares of Mahindra Holidays and Resorts India Limited, which hit a fresh 52-week high of rupees 286.75 on July 5th, that is yesterday. Yes, we'll go to the chart and see what has happened with Mahindra Holidays. In the news, it was just 286, but as you can see here, it opened at around 286 today in the morning, but it tried moving up till 307, which is almost 11 rupees up, and from there it started moving down and it closed at around 284.40 as you can see here. Yes, that was actually a wonderful movement. Now the nation is on unlock, and thus that might be one of the reason for the shares of this particular company to go up. Let's now look into NMDC. The state-owned miner announced government plans to offload 4% stake in the company through an offer for sale, that is OFS, which opens for subscription on Tuesday, that is today. The floor price for the offer shall be rupees 165 per equity share. Right, yes, that was actually a very good opportunity for all the investors. And let's just go and see the chart of NMDC and see what has happened today. Yes, from the announcement onwards, from a high of 186, it is now at 168. Since the last 2 days, it has been underperforming and it has come down from 182 till 168. Especially today, it tried moving up in the initial part of the day from 171. It has gone up till 175, but from that point, it came down till 168. That is, it came down to close at 168.40 is what we can see. Yes, so we have discussed about Mahindra Resorts and we have discussed about NMDC. Now let's jump into Tata Motors. Yes, that is another pathetic fall that we have seen. Yes, Tata Motors share price hit 10% lower circuit as company flags concerns over chip shortage. Yes, that is actually a very bad state because personally I had a long-term investment which I bought it at 296, but it has gone up till 354. Let's go to the chart and see what has happened to Tata Motors as well. Yes, so here this zone, as you can see in the chart, this zone of 358 to 361 is actually a very good resistance zone for Tata Motors, and it has been tested multiple times. Whenever that test level is tested, it has come down at least by around 20 rupees. So, but this time, especially this time, it has touched 358 today in the morning. Okay, that is the first and the foremost thing. Today in the morning from 346, it tried moving up till 350, which is almost 14 rupees. From that point, from 358, it moved down until 311 to hit the lower circuit, and from there it tried moving up till 323, which is almost again 12 rupees up, but it couldn't sustain and it came down to close at 316.90 is what we can see. Again, regarding Maruti, there has been a very good change in the performance of Maruti in the comparing to the last year and this year. They were actually, due to the pandemic in the last year, they had produced around 50,000 units, but this year the production has gone up by 3 times, which is from 50,000 it has gone up till 150,000 plus vehicles this year. And in the post-market analysis, like a week or two before, we have already mentioned about the movement of Maruti, and it has already given the upward movement, and now it is on a downtrend is what we can see. From the time Maruti came up in the news since yesterday or day before yesterday, it has considerably come down from 7,686 to 7,508, which is actually a very good support is what we can see here. We have talked about all the 4 stocks in the news, and now let's go to the IPOs. This is the Money Control's website. As you can see here, Clean Science IPO versus GR Infra Projects. These are the 2 IPOs that are going to start their opening date tomorrow. And also Money Control has given a very good idea about which one you should choose. So the link to this particular article will be there in the description. You can read and analyze, and also you can apply for the IPOs after reading this. Yes, now let's go to Chittogar and see what they have to offer. Yes, Clean Science and Technology Limited, as you can see here, it has incorporated in 2003 and it is into the manufacturing of performance chemical, pharmaceutical intermediates, and FMCG chemicals. You can read the competitive strengths and all. Again, the link to this website or this particular article will be in the description. You can read from that. So mainly we look into the IPO opening date, that is July 7th, 2021, that is tomorrow. The IPO closing date will be July 9th, 2021, and the face value of the share is 1 rupee. The IPO price is between 880 rupees to 900 rupees per equity share, and the lot size is 16 shares. Maximum lots per applicant would be 13, and the maximum amount that you have to invest is 187,000 rupees. So the IPO listing date is on July 19, 2021. Yes, now let's move to the GR Infra Projects. As you can see here, GR Infra Projects Limited is into road engineering, procurement and construction company with experience in designing and construction activities and road highway projects. So again, the link to this article will be in the description. You can read more about this from the link in the description. Like Clean Science and Technology, they have their IPO opening date on July 7, 2021, and the closing date will be on July 9, 2021. And the IPO price is between 820 to 837 rupees, and the maximum and the number of shares per lot is 17. The maximum lot per application will be 14, and the maximum amount you should pay is 199,000 rupees. The IPO listing date is on July 19, 2021. We have discussed about the stock news and also the IPO. Now let's look into the post-market analysis. This is NSE's website. As you can see here, we'll first look into the sectors. The sectors are Nifty Auto, Nifty FMCG, Nifty IT, Nifty Metal, Nifty Pharma, Nifty PSU Bank, and Nifty Realty are the underperformers of the day. Now let's look into Nifty's chart and see what has happened in Nifty. Again, that is so much pathetic, we have to say. So around Nifty opened at around 15,823, and it tried moving up till the all-time high, which is 15,916. But at 15,915, it took a resistance, and on the second half of the day, around 2 p.m., it started moving down. From 15,915, it came down till 15,800, which acted as a very good support. Also broke the day low, and it took support at 15,803 and tried moving up, but couldn't sustain the too much upward movement to close at 15,817 is what we can see. Now again, it was a very good upward movement. It was on a clear uptrend in the morning, but again towards the second half of the day, it came down and it broke the day low. Let's go to the OI chain and see what are the expectations of. Let's go to the OI chain and see the expectations of the investors. So 16,000 has the highest call OI build-up with 66 lakhs contracts open, followed by 15,900, followed by 16,100, followed by 16,200, followed by 15,850. So 15,850 to 16,200 will be a crucial zone for Nifty, and a very good green candle is required for Nifty to cross these levels. Now let's look into the put OI build-up. The maximum put OI build-up is at 15,800, which will act as a very good resistance and also very good support, which acted as a very good support today as well. So that is actually a very good support. And 15,700 has a maximum call of put OI build-up with 41 lakh open contracts, followed by 15,800, followed by 15,650, 600, 15,400, 15,500. So all these levels, we can expect a wide range movement as well as a tight movement, because there has very good OI buildups in every 50 points is what we can see. I hope you all had a profitable day. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will be coming up with so many amazing content in the future, and refer to your friends as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.